The second one, fear of failure. Arey, why you are not doing that activity? Arey, you already started training for the 6 months onwards. Why you didn't attend at least one interview? Why you didn't attend at least one interview? Very common answer is, hey, if I go without preparation, if I go, then I may fail in the interview. It will be the problem. It will be the problem. That's why. So let me prepare. Okay. Let me prepare. And then once I prepared properly, then I will go for that. Array, when it's going to be happen, I will update you. I will update you. When it's going to be happen, I will update you. When you are going to update, I will update you. That's all. Fear of failure. That's why whenever you are doing activities, don't feel that 100%, pakka I'm going to succeed. Don't use such type of terminology, man. Unnecessary. You are giving punishment to yourself. Don't use such type of terminology. Do the activity just like an experiment. I may succeed or I may fail. Let me try. If I succeed, wow, wonderful, I will continue. If I fail, I'm not telling 100% I'm going to succeed. If I fail, okay, I will learn the things, I will get the feedback, I will learn the things, and then again, I will repeat that experiment. Do the things like experiments. Don't do the things like a final exam, life and death problem kind of thing. So, are you in the position to understand? Because, so simple. Sir, I didn't prepare well. That's why I'm not going for the interview. Because I may fail. Option 1. One student is thinking like this. Second student is thinking, just at least the environment I will get. I will come to know how the environment, interview room environment. Let me go for the interview. I may not get the job, I'm sure. I may not get the job, no problem for me. At least I will get some experience, interview experience. Like one person started attending interview. Who is going to get in the chance to get the job?
The person
Actually,
who
The
went
person
to
who are
the
attending, the person who is
interview.
attending the interview, that person definitely is going to, he may get the job. But the person who is waiting for perfect situation, once I perfect, then only I will go for, he never going to get the job because he is not attending interview itself. So remember very carefully dosto. Okay, don't do the things just like final exams. Don't do the things. Don't think every action is the final exam. Every action is the final exam. Think every action is an experiment. Think every action is an experiment. If you have such a type of mentality, you never going for, okay, you never going to postpone. So ask yourself, why you are postponing this activity? Sir, fear of failure. Fear of failure. Then obviously, big success people also failed n number of times. Why you have to worry, man? Okay, just start. Start early. Fail early. Next, restart again. This is the standard slogan. Start early. Fail early. Failure is the part of success cycle only. Fail early so that you will come to know. So do as many mistakes as possible. Then all the mistakes you will come to know. Then obviously, next time whenever you are repeating that, you're never going to do any mistakes because all the mistakes already you covered, right? Have you remembered? Arcad story in The Richest Man in Babylon. First, he invested his 1 year savings with the Ajmar. Ajmar is a brick maker. So, Arcad invested his 1 year savings with the Ajmar, a brick maker, for doing jewelry business. His 1 year savings gone. Can you please tell, in this, good thing is happened or not? It is a failure step only, but good thing is happened or not?
Yes, he learned.
He learned that, okay, you should not do jewelry business with the brick makers. If you want to invest, the person who is doing that activity, for that person only, we require to invest. So the expert in that area, the experienced person in that area, we require to invest. So because of that failure, now second time is in a position, okay, to correct that. So if your vehicle is going without having any jerks kind of thing on the road, you are on the wrong track. Remember this one. Life means jerks will be there. Life means problems will be there. Life means failures will be there. Failures are very common. Fear of failure, don't keep. First time I may fail, second time I may fail, third time I may fail, fourth time definitely I'm going to succeed. Let me do as an experiment. Your action should be just like an experiment, not like, okay, final exam kind of thing. I hope everyone in the position to understand. So,
Yes, sir.
for this also, even it is the fear of failure also, first start plan. Even you fail, no problem at all, but starting is important. First time you may fail, no problem, learn something. Second time you can go for, learn something. Third time you can go for. So that multiple times, so that maybe 10th time or 11th time you may succeed.